Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center, focusing on repair and remanufacturing of Amarillo Gearboxes. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a Amarillo gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components for, we can reverse engineer and manufacture all missing inner components, such as all gears and shafts. We manufacture all gearing such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your Amarillo gearboxes back into production as soon as possible. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk School certified. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back. Thank you once again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. This will now conclude our video tutorial. As you clearly seen in the previous videos, National Gear Repair replaced every bearing and seal from Timken. Repaired the shaft seal areas on this right angle Amarillo drive, and reset all the bearing floats and preloads to what Amarillo recommends us to resetting. We are now doing a preliminary testing on this box, running at about 1500 RPM. We are simulating a very light load to make sure there's no vibration, no overheating, or any abnormalities, no leaking. This gives us the ability to warranty our boxes for 24 months from the date of startup. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, National Gear offers 24/7 rush repair with nationwide free freight and pickup. Thank you very much.